In this video, we're going to teach you how to use the sort function, which allows you to sort the horses based on a specific metric. So you'll notice we're on Gulfstream Park Race 5 today, and the horses always appear in saddlecloth order. Now, if you simply click this triangle right here, this allows you to sort them by their win chance percentage, from high to low or from low to high. So you can see that the 2 horse has the highest win chance percentage. You can also sort by our SOR metric, which is our strength of race metric, from high to low. So you can see that the 5 is actually faced the toughest competition over the last 5 races. And you can also sort by other metrics that you see in the site, such as the total money earned. So you can see the 3 horses earn the most money. You can sort by the money earned on a specific surface. So say this is a turf race, we can sort to see which horses earn the most money on turf, and it's the 8 horse. And that is the sort function.